So no idea why this man seems to think he can't go anywhere. There's plenty of room for him to leave. So there's no obstruction by us. You can only assume he's stalling because there's so much traffic, but certainly can't put this one down to us no matter what they try. There's nothing. I'm walking the width of this, loads of space. So this is not an obstruction by protest, it's a truck deciding that he's not moving. We're here in the dead centre where we always are, with plenty of room either side for him to get through. There's about 2 or 3 people standing in the cross-hatching, perfectly safe. Small women unlikely to truck surf. So I'm not quite sure what all the palaver's about this morning or why they're being quite so dramatic. Damp and miserable. Ugh. And chilly. Okay, so that all had to wait till you could get a senior officer out to say, yes, the truck can go home now. And that was it. All about... Oh! Yell. Shit.
Thanks, Yana.
Shit.
It's alright, it's alright, alright.
Fuck it. Fuck it. 2462 and I had a cuddle because he was shoved in the back by that. You should... You know, in the end, his importance is safety, not whether he gets out.
Are you okay, though?
I am. Are you okay?
I'm alright.
You should get that checked. So if you look back on that live footage, you'll see the truck just hit the cop, Julie, and we just cuddled. He hit the cop, who then fell into me, and fortunately I caught it all on film. Right in the middle of his back, poor fucker.
We always said this.
You make sure he's all right, because he's going to pretend he's not, but his back was hit by the truck. I filmed it. It's on the film. I will. Yeah. Shall I pretend I'm going to die? Then you can say you saved me, and then we'll be.
You're alright though, yeah?
Yeah, I am. But it always does take your breath away for a minute. It's only when that split second when you realise just how close they get, you know. Thank you. Yeah, 2462. I'd say he was feeling the shock of that. Excuse me. You want to check my footage? Your officer 2462 was hit by the truck in the middle of his back. Right. I'd say he's uncomfortable with it, and he'll try and pretend everything's fine, but it wasn't. Officer was hit by the truck.
He was hit by it?
The officer was hit by it in the middle of his back, and he was thrown into me.
I was standing next to one that just nearly got hit.
Yeah, he was hit in the back. 2462.
Or one of ours?
Yeah.
Right.
He was hit straight in his back and threw into me.
Right.
So we both ended up against the fence.
Right.
Fortunately, I was filming at the time.
Right.
So I'm going to save this video now. I want to save this because I don't want to lose the fact that I've got that footage. So if anyone can download this video, I'd really appreciate it. Just to be clear, that truck hit the police officer in the middle of his back. The police officer was only 1 foot off the curb. I was on the verge, and he was thrown into me and squashed me up against the wall. Did you see him get hit?
Yeah, I did.
There's a Greens tag.